Let's ensure it. Inside this modern factory, thousands of donut cakes are produced every day. Welcome to our factory.
Behind every donut cake is a carefully designed process, combining technology, precision, and craftsmanship.
The process begins with carefully sourced raw ingredients arriving at the factory. Every delivery is scheduled and tracked to ensure freshness and consistency. Once inside the facility, ingredients are unloaded and verified. Each batch is checked to meet strict quality standards before entering production.
Flour quality plays a critical role in texture. This inspection ensures the donut cakes remain soft and consistent every time.
Eggs are processed through automated systems that separate shells and ensure a smooth, clean mixture for baking. Milk and butter are carefully measured to maintain moisture and richness in every donut cake.
Dry ingredients are fed into hoppers where precise ratios are maintained before mixing begins. Once measured, ingredients are transferred seamlessly to the next stage of production.
With everything prepared, the ingredients are now ready to be transformed into donut cake batter.
Once prepared, the ingredients are transferred into large automated mixers where the donut cake batter begins to take shape.
Careful mixing ensures the batter develops the right texture, balancing softness with structure. Every movement is precisely timed to maintain consistency across thousands of donut cakes. Throughout mixing, technicians continuously monitor temperature, speed, and consistency. Small adjustments help maintain balance, ensuring every batch meets exact standards.
Once mixed, the batter is transferred seamlessly to the forming stage through enclosed pipelines. This transparent section allows teams to visually confirm consistency before forming begins. At this point, the batter is perfectly mixed and ready to be shaped into donut cakes.
The batter is now portioned into donut-shaped molds, ensuring uniform size and weight. Sensors confirm that every mold receives the exact same amount of batter. Robotic systems handle the molds with precision, preparing them for baking.
The filled molds now enter industrial ovens, where heat transforms the batter.
Inside the oven, controlled heat allows the donut cakes to rise evenly and develop structure.
This baking stage gives donut cakes their signature golden color and soft interior. Once baked, the donut cakes exit the oven and begin cooling.
Cooling stabilizes the structure before filling and decoration begin. After cooling, the donut cakes are aligned for filling with creams and jams. Automated nozzles inject exact portions of filling into every donut cake. A smooth chocolate glaze is applied evenly across the surface. Slow, controlled glazing creates a uniform finish and rich flavor. Decorations are added while the glaze is still fresh, locking in texture and appearance. Once decorated, the donut cakes are transferred into packaging trays. Automated systems seal each package to preserve freshness. At full speed, the packaging system prepares thousands of donut cakes for distribution. Before leaving the factory,
every donut cake undergoes a final visual inspection.
Only products that meet strict standards are approved for distribution.
Approved donut cakes are carefully loaded for transport to stores and customers. From here, donut cakes are delivered fresh, ready to be enjoyed.
Behind every donut cake is a carefully designed process, combining technology, precision, and craftsmanship.